Hi students, MCQ number 15. At room temperature 27 degree Celsius, the RMS speed of the molecules of a certain diatomic gas is found to be 1920 meters per second. The gas is to be identified. Now see all the four options, all the gases are diatomic gases only. Understand? So for which diatomic gas this speed is given, we have to find out. It's a very simple question only. Now the RMS speed Vrms is equal to square root of 3 RT by molar mass m. This is the standard equation you have to remember. Now I am going to square on both sides. So squaring on both sides, I get V square RMS is equal to 3 RT by m. I have to find what is the molar mass. Therefore, molar mass is now equal to 3 RT divided by V square RMS. So this is to be substituted now. So gas constant, we must remember it is 8.31. Therefore, m is equal to 3 multiplied by 8.31 multiplied by temperature. T is given in degree Celsius 27. So this is 27 plus 273 in Kelvin. So this is equal to 300 Kelvin. I am going to substitute here. T is equal to 300 divided by 1920 meter per second is given. So whole square. Now I have to do the calculation. Okay. So this can be written as what? 3 into 3, 9 into 831. So 9 into 831. 831. So this is equal to 7479 in the numerator. 7479 divided by 1920 whole square. So into 1920. So this is coming as 3686400. So now if we divide this value 7479 divided by 3686400, we get this is equal to 0.00202 kilogram. So this is the calculated value. So now I can shift the decimals like this. 0.002 can be written as 2.02. So 2.02 into 10 to the power of minus 3 kg. So this is 2.02 into 10 to the power of minus 3 multiplied by 1 kg is also equal to 10 power 3 gram. So this is also equal to 10 power 3 gram. So that these two powers can be cancelled and this is equal to 2.02 gram. So for which gas it is nearly equal to 2 gram I can write. So this is also nearly equal to 2 gram. So this which gas will have a molar mass is equal to 2 gram is only for the hydrogen gas. Is it not that? Therefore, option B is the correct answer. So this is one different type of question they have asked. So from this mass we can guess that molar mass of hydrogen only is equal to 2 grams. So the option B is the right answer. So basically you have to remember this expression only. For molar mass capital M, Vrms is equal to root over 3 RT by M. Understand? I hope you must have understood. Fine.